Okay, so today we are putting all these pipes together up here. Grayson can tell you the technical words.
You mean the technical words?
Yeah.
We're plumbing it. We're doing everything.
Okay, so tell everyone what we're doing.
Emily's gonna do this.
Okay, I'm gonna connect this PVC pipe right here for this vent for the plumbing. And then I get to do the elbow for the toilet. I'm gonna connect the PVCs right here, while Grayson connects all the copper piping for the hot water in the cold water. From that side, because we have the kitchen over there, there's a hose over there. We're gonna be moving that hot water tank over here, washer dryer.
There's no way I'm getting all this done.
Oh, you'll get it done eventually.
Not many people use a pre-coiled soft copper.
Yeah.
With insulation on it. Like this is really for refrigerant, but you can use refrigerant for plumbing.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is the 1/2 inch. We got 3/4. You might have to help me straighten it all the way, but this is pretty close. It's pretty good. Okay, now I can.
Okay.
Well, I'm hoping to use all of these for the hot water. So every measurement will come off the tank, and all of these will be insulated so they will stay warm through the basement. And that's pretty much it.
And what are we using for cold? Are we using copper too?
I don't know, I have to figure out how much we have left.
Okay.
Because this is pre-insulated. I mean, you could still use it. I could take the insulation off.
Okay.
It can insulate hot or cold. I mean, it's just the,
This cut might look a little janky. We don't have all the right tools for everything. We're making use of what we have. Okay, so we cut a pipe so we can fit it in this area right here. And so we have our couplers and this. And so I get to do the fun part. I get to put the primer on, and then I get to put the glue on. And stick it all together. This reminds me of like the glue that teachers used to use in like school. You know, it had like a little top like this and it smelled like a skunk. And all over me. What?
You sure you don't want this last set?
Yeah, I brought my own drink.
Oh yeah, kombucha. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So the primer is on. Now it's time for glue. Okay, Grayson, can you come here really fast and tighten these? I put the glue on.
Put the glue on that, right?
No one put the glue on those.
Well, no wonder you're having such a hard time with this. The glue goes on the male end.
What?
It's okay. It's drying.
Well, can you push it together so it's tighter?
Oh. I thought you were doing this.
Okay, so I ended up putting it on the wrong way, and it ended up being a little shorter than what it was supposed to, even though we measured it after we cut it. And then we tried to fit it on, and the rest of the original pipe broke off, so we need to get some new parts and go to the store. So we decided to come out and work outside since it's nice. Okay, so we're gonna work outside since it's kind of nice and sunny. We're gonna clean up this back area. It's all overgrown with weeds. Kind of trim up those trees a bit more. Got some weeds over here, but we got some cute little flowers coming up. So I'm hoping to not pull those up. I'll pull those up after they bloom, and then I'll move them around later. But we have a ton of them. So I just want to kind of clean up a bit. We're gonna work on the back first. See how long it takes us. Grayson's cleaning off the algae off of the roof and cleaning out the gutters. This is really like the first nice day. It's been in a long time. He's able to clean out the gutters in the front. Like when we first got the house, there was like tons of snow, so we couldn't do the back gutters. And the back gutters were surprisingly not bad. Okay, so this is what we ended the day with. We only had a shovel and a rake, so I think this is pretty good. I do eventually want to take up the pavers, put some sand down and some of the black paper so the weeds don't come through, but this is good for right now. Really cleans it up. We see all the cracks in the house that need to be recaulked, so I think it's a good start. Okay, so now we're back to the plumbing. We went to the store and got some new pieces. So what Grayson's showing you now is what the piece broke off. This was for the vent line. So he's just remeasuring how we need to cut it, and actually worked out because we put a whole new pipe in and it will be way sturdier. While Grayson does some more plumbing work, I headed upstairs to take the rest of the baseboards off of the living room and around the doorways, since I just ordered our front door, which I'm so excited to put in. So we took off all the baseboards and we are gearing up, getting all our projects put together for when our dumpster comes in just a couple of days. Grayson definitely has his technique down for when he takes off baseboards. I am still learning my technique. It might take me a little bit longer. And my leftiness. Everyone loves to make fun of my leftiness. But I get it done eventually, even though it might take me a couple extra minutes. Okay, I came back a couple days later with my mom and we put together the bathroom vanity. And I have a really fun project for this bathroom vanity. We got it from IKEA. We just bought the vanity, not the countertop, because I have this whole vision in mind. And I think I'm going to do a whole bathroom video next, showing exactly what it's going to look like and like what I want to do to this vanity to make it look really cool. But we're putting this vanity together. And you know IKEA, they just have pictures. So you kind of got to figure it out yourself. So there was a little bit of troubleshooting here, but we got it done. Yeah, they're the same.
What is that piece? That's, I'm trying to think of mine at
Okay,
home.
so this goes like this. That matches perfect. But why are these big? Because
Yeah, because it's not gonna hold it. It needs to be screwed in. Let me see the book. Are you seeing it right?
yeah.
Okay, so we got that, we did that. Okay, we did that. Now we slid that in, and now we're gonna do this.
I guess it's gonna work. I mean, I'm looking over here and the holes are the same.
So they're
I
on
guess
the,
they're a bit
so
like
these are on the,
ones.
yeah, these are on the out, oh wait, this is falling in.
Yeah.
Yep, because this one just goes in like this. This gets screwed into the back. That's what it's telling you to do.
Okay.
Yeah, the pegs go here, the screws go there.
So the screws are the tiny ones.
Yeah, here. So see the screws are there.
Okay.
These are the pegs. That's why they're not
So
fitting.
these are the screws. Yeah.
Those are the screws.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Put it on top here. Okay. I'm trying to have it all the yellow going on this one. It's hard for me to see it.
It was really good that we decided to put together the vanity so that we can put it in the bathroom and really figure out the measurements for like the countertop, where exactly the sink is going to go. And I'm glad that we did this because I had bought a rectangle sink before and we decided to switch to a circle one.